These two bolts over here are where the subframe meets the frame of the motorcycle. People in forums have mentioned that sometimes they found that they have been loosened a bit, so it's a good maintenance idea every now and then just to check them. Hi, I'm Dr. Vstrom, and today's video is a maintenance video regarding the bolts of the subframe on all Vstrom800s. Now, the story with the subframe bolts is that some people on forums, they have noticed that sometimes one of the bolts is loose, and that's not very good. I don't know how it happened. It hasn't happened to me, but today we're going to see how to check periodically. It's easy, and how to ensure that they are correctly torqued. This is the subframe. The bottom bolts on either side are easily accessible, but the top ones, you need to partially remove this plastic. You don't need any tools for the plastic. You just grab here, gently pull. There's another one, there's a hook over here. There's a video on how to remove the plastics and the fuel tank. Go and watch it if you want. But here there is a hook. You just gently pull. So once you partially remove this plastic like I showed you, you're not only getting access on the bottom subframe bolts, but also on the top ones. Then you can take your torque wrench and hex or Allen of size 8 and torque them to the specified value of 50 Newton meters. To demonstrate this step, I will completely remove this plastic only for reasons of visibility, so that the video is more clear, but you don't have to do that. Just partially remove this plastic. Hex or Allen of size 8, 2 bolts, subframe, frame, checking for maintenance, 50 Newton meters. Of course, you will have to repeat from the other side. 50 Newton meters, 50 Newton meters. To put back the plastic into position is just a matter of pressing on the right points, on the right locations. So you just press here and here, and it's done. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.